We thought we'd do a short video explaining one method and one way that we use of how to measure your steer wheels for banding. We get asked a lot what's the best way to measure them and what's the best width to go out to, but it's just down to personal preference and everyone's different. And some people prefer a deeper dish look and others prefer a more subtle look. So we're just going to show you today one way of how we measure wheels for banding. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the car is on a flat surface and also that the wheels are facing forward and they're straight. Then you're going to need a rafter square and a tape measure, and you just place the rafter square level with the outer part of the arch, and then using your tape just measure off the rim, which is about 50mm. So that shows that you can come out about 2 inches, and most wheels will tell you what width they are from factory, and so if we add on 2 inches to that, that will take it out to 8J because this one is 6, and that will tell you how far out we can band it. So these are measured exactly the same way, and that's 50mm and 2 inches, exactly the same as the front. So what we can do now is we can add either 2 inches on every wheel, which will take them all out to 8J, or we could go for the staggered look and we could have, for example, 7J on the front and 8J on the rear. So another question we get asked is what tyres can be used on the wheels that we've banded out. So for example, these being 8J, theoretically, which is 8 inches, you could look at the metric equivalent. So that would either be a 195 tyre, a 205 tyre, or a 215 tyre. We hope this video has been useful to you, and don't forget to check out our other videos. We've got one on there showing me banding some Granada wheels and how we do it. And don't forget to like and subscribe.